Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Coinbase to buy and sell cryptocurrency. First, you will need to set up your free Coinbase account. Simply visit the Coinbase website or download the app, then register with your email. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically takes just a few minutes. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to fund your future transactions. This secure setup ensures a smooth experience. Once your account is ready, buying cryptocurrency is straightforward. Head to the Buy/Sell section on the Coinbase platform. You can choose from hundreds of available cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to buy, either in your local currency or the crypto's units. Review your order carefully, noting any fees, then confirm your purchase. Your new crypto will appear in your wallet almost instantly. Selling your cryptocurrency is just as easy as buying it. Navigate back to the Buy/Sell section and select the Sell tab. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell from your wallet. Then, enter the amount you wish to convert back into your local currency. Confirm the transaction details, including any associated fees, and finalize the sale. The funds will typically be transferred to your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Managing your crypto portfolio effectively is key. Your Coinbase dashboard provides a clear overview of your holdings and their current value. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. For larger amounts, consider transferring your assets to a hardware wallet for offline storage. Staying informed about market movements and Coinbase's security features will help you make smart decisions and keep your investments safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.